Today, I'm excited because the RV isn't just for camping, fishing, taking the whole family across the country. It's also about the tailgate. And nobody knows tailgating like my friend Jordan at Side Biscuit. Best wings that I know around us, so we're heading to Ann Arbor. I'm gonna show you how to cook some stuff. Jordan!
What up, baby?
What's up, dude?
How we doing?
Thank you so much for having us, man.
Dude,
this is awesome.
Real quick, you gotta put this on to tame the mane.
Woo, okay.
Wrap
Look
it.
at that. Fresh. This is smells like fried chicken.
Smells like wings, baby.
Need these wings.
Yes,
Dude,
sir.
I'm excited because I haven't had your wings in a minute. And you have, in my opinion, the best wings in Metro Detroit.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, absolutely,
Thanks, man.
dude. They're delicious. You know what
Yes,
you're
sir.
doing.
Exactly.
You're not from here, so you get it.
Born and raised in Buffalo. If I didn't know how to make a good wing, they wouldn't let me go home. So,
You want to show us around?
dude, yeah, come
Dude,
check out the spot.
awesome. I'm in.
It's tiny.
200 and what?
70.
270 square feet.
Yeah.
And you function how many wings a week?
Usually like 20 cases, 40 pounds a case. Open 5 days.
You've been used to it for a while, though.
Right. Starting at the house, cooking in the driveway, Instagram pre-order, Venmo, and people would pre-order. We'd sell like 142 orders in like 13 minutes, and then sell it out of the driveway.
Dude, I like how I don't have to move around to like get things done too. You've got lowboy, fryers, ovens, all of it just cranking throughout the day too.
Got to be efficient with the space.
So today you've shown us this kitchen. You've got tight space. We got a pretty wide space in the RV. I'd like to take what we do here and do it in the RV today.
I think we can pull that off.
Can we do it like a tailgate?
Yeah, let's treat it like a tailgate.
Cool, let's go for it.
Let's do it.
So this is my kitchen for the day.
Awesome.
General RV was gracious enough to hook us up with a Winnebago Vista. It's a Class A 32-foot motorhome, perfect for the tailgate situation.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
We got a bunch set up out here, but I want to show you the setup on the inside. Let's
check it out.
Come on in, man.
Yes.
Inside this Vista, we've got the double bowl farm sink.
Nice.
We've got this combo of full gas range and oven. Check out these lights.
Wow. Let's get some cooking going in there.
Oh, we're gonna get something going for sure. 4-panel fridge and freezer combo.
That's huge.
Stacked and ready to go for today too.
Let's go.
On the rundown, we've got wings. What are you thinking? What kind?
So I'll probably rock my OG Buffalo.
Excellent.
It'll go great with your lemon pepper wet, and then maybe some Gucci Gang.
Ooh.
That's one of our most popular.
Beautiful.
Little Korean gochujang based.
What are we talking for the biscuit?
Biscuit, I'm thinking black sesame, togarashi butter on the side.
Ooh.
Does that sound
Sounds
good?
great.
Yeah.
For sure.
And then chicken wing dip, everybody loves it.
All right, what's first?
I think we gotta get the biscuits going.
Yeah. I'm following you, chef.
Let's get after it. Are you my suit today?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so this might be the smallest batch of biscuits I've ever made, but fingers crossed. We're cooking in this awesome kitchen. So we're gonna start with 4 cups of all-purpose flour, just a little sugar, 1 tablespoon, a little salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons baking powder. All right, so we got everything meased out, dry ingredients in the bowl. You wanna dice some butter for me into like nice little tiny cubes.
You got it? All of it?
All the butter, that's all weighed out.
Heard.
And I'm gonna just incorporate our dry. How's that work?
How's that look to you, chef?
That's looking great, nice and evenly distributed. Now we're gonna swing over here and add our wet.
Cool.
I've got some sesame seeds, some sesame oil,
Oh yeah.
the good stuff.
Behind the TV.
Behind the TV, there's storage. All right, so we're gonna add, the recipe calls for about 20 grams. We're just gonna eyeball. And then for sesame oil, we'll just want like 2 tablespoons.
Good.
See, baking's a science. We're very exact here. All right, so buttermilk's going in. We're gonna flour our surface a little bit so we have something to work with. All right.
Look at all that surface to work on.
I know, this is, I'm telling you, this is bigger than my restaurant.
Yeah.
Seriously. We got our little parchment lined tray here, and we're gonna cut some biscuits. We're just gonna pop these in the freezer to chill for a little bit.
Done.
Sheet tray even fits in the freezer.
Perfect.
This is amazing. Buffalo sauce, very simple. Frank's Red Hot and butter. That's how it started. That's how you do it. So I got some hot sauce up here. We are lemon pepper for later. But we're just gonna melt. My ratio we're gonna do today is like a medium heat, you know, basically you control your heat by how much butter you add. So we're gonna do like a 4-to-1 ratio. While we're waiting for that, let's start this chicken wing dip. So you never had chicken wing dips?
Oh, come on. We call it buffalo chicken dip here.
Buffalo chicken
dip. But it's
dip.
because it's from your town.
Yeah, exactly. We just call it chicken dip. Should we pop it in?
I'm in.
Let's do it.
Right up on top?
Yeah.
All right, we this way?
I think that'll fit. Perfect. I can't believe it fits whole half pans. That's nuts.
I'm telling you, this kitchen is better than my first apartment.
Yeah, seriously. So butter's melted.
Butter's ready to go.
Let's make some buffalo. 2 quarts, which is also 8 cups.
Which is also 2 delis.
Which is also 2 delis. The best measuring cup in all the land.
Oh, I'm telling you, man.
So this helps the butter fully kind of incorporate and, you know, bind to the hot sauce. That way it doesn't break. And then we store it cold. Then the hot wing slowly melts the butter in the sauce, but it stays as a cohesive single sauce.
Smart.
Just gonna bring it all together.
Look at that color just changing too.
Yep, it's that perfect buffalo orange.
Give me a swimming pool with that and I'm good.
Just bathing in it. Cool, we're gonna pop this into the fridge to chill for a little bit.
I feel like you and I should have been camping before. This is a really nice birth to our camping experience together.
Let's do it. I feel like we're kind of in like a nice luxurious version of camping, right?
Oh yeah.
You know, glamping. We got a flat screen over the sink. But I like to do the same thing, like make your experience a little better, right? So we go to Nordhaus Dunes in the west side of the state. Oof. It's like a 2-mile hike in. Normally you pack light, right? Backpacking. You're bringing like granola, freeze-dried food, stuff like that.
I feel like that's not your style.
We flip it on its head and do the opposite. The first year I brought a hockey bag full of food for 20 people. I'm talking 30 eggs, 5 pounds of butter. It was nuts. We brought dry ice and oysters.
Ooh.
We did some nice lamb chops over the fire the one night. I usually bring like a 35-pound cast iron, which isn't usually recommended for backpacking.
I wouldn't say so.
And we have deep fried wings on the beach. Because why wouldn't you? Chicken dip, let's check on it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, game over. All right, well that's out.
The smell is insane. Biscuits.
Look at the biscuits in.
Oh, they're looking pretty.
Got them nice and chilled. Perfect.
We gotta brush them, right?
Yeah. You want to hit me?
Hit me.
Man, that oven heats up great.
I'm surprised. It's wonderful.
Those are gonna go great with the. Pop those in. All right.
Let's go back outside.
Got some blue cheese.
Oh
You got
yeah,
the
and I
chicken?
think I got some chicken.
Let's go.
We are ready, setting up out here now. This is a tailgate experience, my
perfect.
friend.
I think we're almost at chicken frying temp. We're perfect.
What's that perfect temp?
350 is what I like to fry at. Let's drop. You team flats or team drums?
All right, I've answered this question many times, and I feel like there's definitely a huge debate. I'm a flats guy, dude.
Me too. Let's go. Flats
For
all
sure.
the way.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Starting to get nice and golden
Oh
for
yeah.
us. Aerate them so they don't stick to the bottom.
Those wings are talking to me. So glad I came here hungry. All right, so it looks like we've already got a fair amount of color on that, but how do you know when it's perfect?
So in Buffalo, we like to go a little further, right? 165 degrees internal temp is a safe consumption of chicken. However, we don't want it just cooked. We want it super crispy on the outside with this hot oil, but still nice and moist on the inside. So we'll take it actually almost to 200 internal temp, kind of sealing all that moisture and get that hard exterior that'll be great with our lemon pepper wet sauce.
And you're not afraid of like drying out the chicken or the texture?
Wings
going
are
over?
pretty forgiving. It's usually about a 15-minute cook is kind of our bare minimum. We don't want to go any lower than that because they'll stay a little soggy on you.
We're floating.
That's how you know. Who needs a thermometer? These are perfect.
Those are perfect. You can still hear the sizzle too.
Tell me about this lemon pepper wet.
That's what I'm gonna get started on over here. So lemon pepper seasoning, got white pepper, a little bit of garlic powder in there, extra specialness. Maybe my special guy's in here too?
Maybe. Ooh.
Maybe?
Secrets.
So what I do is I do it dry first.
Smart, I like that. Kind of permeates a little bit.
White pepper, so you don't really know what's going on here first. We're just gonna sit there for a second.
You got that tossing skill down.
And what I'm gonna need next is some of your buffalo, please.
We just made some. I brought a little bit out for you.
That's right. Thank you. Come on.
It's the benchmark.
It's perfect.
Man, those look awesome. I kind of want to just eat them. Do we have to plate them?
No, we're good.
I gotta try these.
Dip.
Shall we?
I gotta try this. Cheers.
Cheers, bro.
The outside skin still has a beautiful crunch, but you're getting full juiciness on the inside. And then you
Come
hear
right
that?
off the bone.
Hot chip, hot dip. Oh, come on.
That's not fair.
Yes!
Perfect tailgating food.
I love this. We could be out here all day.
You my side biscuit or my main biscuit?
I'd like to hope that I'm the main.
You are my main biscuit. All right.
Wow.
Pick your favorite.
It's not big.
They did puff up nicely. Time for a beer?
Oh, please. While we're waiting, let me talk to you about this deal. $500 off for the chef special. Make sure you check out generalrv.com. We cooked inside the RV today. You've cooked in a lot of different places. Is there anything that surprised you about cooking in the RV?
I was super impressed with the space. I mean, bigger than most home kitchens or apartments at least around here. You know, the fact that you could put a full quarter sheet tray inside that oven, heat it up quick, a lot of counter space.
It's got an oven. I could do this with you all day.
Let's keep going.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe because we want to see you on the next one.